defend personnel as they protect us from foreign aggression. One such event is Kargil War. Kargil was a military, political and a diplomatic victory for India, which was observed every year on 26 July. We honor Kargil warriors and give tribute to them who lost their life in war. Here are some highlights of war. The Kargil War was fought in 1999 between India and Pakistan in Kargil, Ladakh, which was initially Baltistan district, separated by LOC after the first Kashmir War. Kargil was the first war between India and Pakistan after the one in 1971, which had led the formation of Bangladesh as a separate country. Atal Bihari Vajpayee led NDA government was in power at the time of this war. India launched Operation Vijay to clear the Kargil sector of infiltration by Pakistani soldiers and Kashmiri militants on the Indian side of the LOC. The war took place despite that stated no armed conflict shall place on the said boundary by Shimla Agreement. The Indian and Pakistan armies fought the Kargil War in May-July 1999. In Kargil, elsewhere along the line of LOC, Saved Sagar, the Indian Air Force operation, was a major part of the Kargil War. It used air power as the height of 32,000 feet for the first time for identifying the Pakistani troops, Mujahideen, to interdiction. All the actions were performed well by the pilots and engineers despite just 1 week of training. As India witnessed television grabs of its army men, Operation Vijay was termed successful when India won a decisive victory. While PM Atal Bihari Vajpayee declared the operation successful on July 14, it was officially declared closed on July 26, 1999. India lost more than 500 military men on the Kargil territory, while report says Pakistan claimed that more than 3,000 of their soldiers, Mujahideens and infiltrates died. Built by Indian Army, the Kargil War Memorial Wall has inscriptions of all the Indian soldiers and lost their lives in the war. The memorial also has a museum with documents, recordings and pictures of the Indian soldiers at Kargil. Kargil is one of the most recent and famous examples of high altitude warfare, that is, wars that are fought on mountains terrain.